Who doesn't like a cake for their birthday? Now, the average lifespan of a Yorkshire Terrier is 15 years, and the average American lives to be 78, possibly less if you eat too much cake, so let's call it 75, which means that I should be getting 6 cakes a year, at least, although I plan to outlive you all. Let's start with some of my favourite chickpea flour and a pinch of baking soda. Next, the eggs. Tricky little fuckers, and it is hard to make a cake without them, which is one reason I usually leave the baking to someone with fingers, or have my tiny assistants fix it for me in post-production. Let's be frank, I didn't shred these apples. I can hardly grip the water, the coconut oil, and the tahini in these useless paws. I use tahini instead of peanut butter. Peanuts are harmful to us because they are full of aflatoxins, a naturally occurring mycotoxin that is one of the most carcinogenic substances on Earth. So no, tahini is what we want. Tahini and honey. Whole civilizations have been built on this stuff. Take a wooden spoon between your maddeningly clumsy little paws and mix well.
Butter the baking pan and pour the batter.
No matter how big or small your dog, or how cultured their table manners, you're probably going to want to make 3 small cakes rather than 1 big one. That is guaranteed to become a mess of crumbs and drool. Bake your precious darlings in an oven preheated to 350 Fahrenheit until they look golden brown. It should take 15 minutes or so. Finish them with yogurt, not frosting, however much you were looking forward to licking the bowl. And a few sprinkles of shredded coconut. Happy birthday to me. Subscribe. Please subscribe. It would mean so much to me. It's not as if I receive many presents. Sometimes I think people forget it's my birthday at all. Subscribe!